Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We buy, sell, and trade new and used machinery. Our certified pre-owned machinery is located in-house, and we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. For an up-to-date list of machinery for sale, visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com. Remember to check back often as our inventory changes daily, as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And additionally, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or by dialing 630-229-6705. Also check out our website for hundreds of new machines and request a highly competitive quote. We are going to do a walkthrough of a Moak 16-inch Monotrol table saw. So are you looking for a true survivor machine? We are talking about a one-owner, original paint, small shop owned. Well, check, check, and check, as this one marks all of those boxes. This one is actually wearing its original paint as well. If you have heard us say that before, it's probably because you saw the 16-inch Moak joiner from the same shop, or was it the Moak shaper? Well, all three came from the same original owner. These are pretty cool table saws. Really underappreciated in the marketplace, but also hard to find. The blade capacity is 16 inches, and that blade is driven by a 7.5 horsepower direct drive motor. 42 inches of cutting capacity to the right of the blade. What is really sweet is the tilt feature. You release the lock and it instantly tilts. By pushing in the hand wheel, you can adjust your blade angle, yet on a Monotrol, it is much easier. So how do you adjust the height? Same hand wheel, except you pull out. Get it? Monotrol, Mono Control. If you line up the gears here, that allows you to control, again, your rise and fall of the blade. If you push it in, it allows you to control your tilt. This one also sports the original miter gauge. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.